Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction options located on this device. Begin with opening settings. Now you need to click on General over here, and following that, choose Keyboard section. As you can see, all text correction options are located over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!